magnets attract, the back ones repel, and this is a simple piece of CD. And then I can balance this pen in air. And I can spin it. That's just a piece of CD. And this pen spins in the air. And this toy, the cost of this toy is just the 6 magnets that cost 50 paisa each. And so and you can buy it on the internet. This toy is probably 800 or 900 rupees if you buy it on the internet. Looks very nice. But you can make it of your own hands. And the story behind this toy is very interesting. A girl almost your age called Hamsa Padmanabhan, when she saw this toy, she wrote a 4-page paper or 5-page paper on the physics of this toy. She made a symbol diagram, she figured out what direction the magnet should be for it to attract and repel, and she just wrote a paper to explain this toy. And then she got first prize in Intel Science Award. Then she was called to US and she was given an award of $5,000. Second prize worldwide, $5,000, which is about 4 lakh rupees. And then NASA named a minor planet after her. So today, if you Google Hamsa Padmanabhan, there is a planet called Hamsa just because she wanted to explore this world. And that's the capability of each and every child, each and every girl. NASA still has 70,000 planets which are not named. And there are just a few of us. So हर एक बच्चे के नाम पर एक planet हो सकता है. हम लोगों को सिर्फ खिलौनों के बारे में देखना और समझना पड़ेगा. We all have to learn to get into this habit of play. Playing is very serious business. Unfortunately, we don't give our children time to play. And if you don't play anything, it's very bad. It has life. We end up making a lot of people who don't play and are sad people end up making missiles and bombs. So better than playing. The best thing a child can do is to play. Is to make a lot of toys, break them, and then put them apart and put them back. So that's called the levitating pen. Similarly, there is this concept of gifting. Whenever there is a birthday, we go and buy a lot of these junk from the market and gift it to our friends. Imagine with just a piece of CD. What is this? A cycle stroke. 40 पैसे की साइकिल स्ट्रोक, एक पुरानी सीडी, एक पेन और 2 50-50 पैसे की मैग्नेट को लेकर हम एक बहुत मजेदार पेन बना सकते हैं. जो पेन हवा में खड़ा रहेगा. Instead of buying all these toys and increasing trash, हम क्या करते हैं? किसी का जन्मदिन आया, दुकान में गए, प्लास्टिक का चाइना का बना हुआ माल खरीद के दे और फिर अपन बात करते हैं मेक इन इंडिया. हमारे प्रधानमंत्री कह रहे हैं मेक इन इंडिया. हम लोग को यहीं से चालू करना पड़ेगा. और भी कोई किसी का जन्मदिन आया, मॉल में गए और उठाया, एक प्लास्टिक का कूड़ा खरीदा, चाइना का बना हुआ कूड़ा खरीद के जाके दूसरे के मत्थे पे रख दिया. एंड वेरी सून, in fact there was a research done where they said of the stuff that we buy, अगर हमने मान लो 100 रुपए का सामान खरीदा, after 6 months 95% of it is down in the trash already within 6 months. तो ये हमारे यूज एंड थ्रो कल्चर है. इमेजिन इफ यू कैन यूज ऑल द थ्रोन अवे स्टफ टू मेक टॉयज. अगर आप कोई भी बाजार से खरीदा हुआ खिलौना बैग बनाते हैं तो तुरंत दे देते हैं, ना आपको अच्छा लगा ना लेने वाले को अच्छा लगा. अपने हाथ से बना हुआ खिलौना बनाकर किसी को दीजिएगा तो इट विल स्टे बिकॉज इट हैज़ वैल्यू. It has feelings and emotions. You put in so much effort to make this toy, and it takes about 10 minutes to make. we had asked that if some children are interested, they can all make this toy and take it home. और इसको बनाने में सिर्फ 5 मिनट लगते हैं, एक साइकिल की स्ट्रोक, 2 मैग्नेट और एक पेन, और सबकी टेबल पर ये खिलौना हो जाए तो कितना अच्छा रहे. नेक्स्ट टाइम इफ योर फ्रेंड इज गेटिंग मैरिड और इफ दे आर हैविंग किड्स, ऐसा है कि आपके बच्चे आपके मित्र ऐसे हैं जिनकी शादी हो रही है, नहीं, बट सून इनफ इफ योर फ्रेंड विल गेट मैरिड एंड हैव किड्स, imagine this is what you want to do.
It's a thicker magnet.
Yeah, this is a bigger magnet because while I was gone, somebody increased the distance between these two magnets. It has to be appropriately adjusted so that the pen can stay. So that's why I put a bigger magnet on top. Otherwise it's not required. If this distance is appropriate, then
Then it is
only a single magnet can do. So all these things, they sound very simple, but you have to get into the act of making it. Writing a book about it or doing a research or PhD is not going to help you. You have to get your hands dirty. आजकल के बच्चे हाथ से ना कुछ करना चाहते हैं और ना ही माँ बाप कुछ करने देते हैं. बच्चे अगर घर पे कुछ काम करते नहीं, बेटा पढ़ो. बच्ची पहले तुम अपनी किताब पढ़ो. So we don't even get neither do we do things or do we let our children do things. तो जब तक करेंगे नहीं तो कैसे पता चलेगा कि कौन सी मैग्नेट चाहिए, बड़ी चाहिए या छोटी चाहिए. रहना बहुत जरूरी है. So the goal of this exercise of us coming here for today is to get you guys into the habit of doing things by your own hand. So this is this simple thought. And the channel that we have, the website that we have, all the toys that we make, we put it on the website. So आप लोग सारे ही वो खिलौने वहाँ जाकर देखकर बना सकते हैं. पर हम ये चाहते हैं कि आप अपने खिलौने बनाएं. आप सिर्फ हमारे खिलौने में देख करना बनाए हो तो आप बना सकते हैं. The channel is called Arvind Gupta Toys. /Arvind-Gupta-Toys. Like I said, my name is Manish and I work in Pune. I used to do chip design software. मैंने IIT कानपुर से पढ़ाई करी, फिर स्टैनफोर्ड में पढ़ाई करने के बाद मैं चिप डिज़ाइन कर रहा था. And then I met Arvind Gupta because he is also from IIT Kanpur, and I met him and I thought this is what I wanted to do. Last 2 years I have been there. Vishal has been